Welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today we will discuss the topic how to create system restore point in Windows 10 and how to restore system using system restore point. Friends, there are some options. There are one or two methods to use system restore point. I will tell you about in detail. First of all, we will go to search, type here system advanced setting, view advanced setting, go to system protection tab. Under system protection tab there are some options available. By default the system restore point is disabled. First of all, we have to enable system restore point. If it is not enabled, then we cannot restore our system using system restore point. First of all, we have to enable system restore point, or we can say the system protection is disabled or off. We have to enable, or its protection should be on. Then the procedure is we have to go to configure, and then we click on turn on system protection. By default disable system protection. When disable system protection radio button is checked, then our system can never be restored using system restore point. First of all, we have to turn it on and apply. Okay friends, you can see the system protection on say C drive, but it's still off on D drive. We also have to enable system protection on D drive. We have to go configure and then turn on system protection, apply. Okay friends, here are the option. We can use the disk usage. We can increase or decrease the system disk usage. To slide this option, this is the option when the system creates the backup of their files and will store about on this space, about 20% space. We click on apply. Okay friends, now system protection is enabled. Now we have to, first of all, we have to create system restore point. We will click on create button, and then we will write here about task or any point. We have to mention, like if we want to install software, we can also write here before software installation and date and whatsoever. We have to some significant name. So if our system is crashed or if there is any problem, then we can restore system on this time and date. Let's suppose we can type the name here. Okay, we can also use before. We can add the word before Adobe installation. So it's the prominent. If there is any problem during installation, then we can restore our system on this moment. So we can click on creating a system restore. Our system restore point is creating. It will take some time, but not more time. Friends, it shows message this restore point was created successfully. It means our restore point is created successfully. We click on close our system restore is okay. Click OK. Friends, we again go to view advanced system settings and click on system protection tab. No, friends, we will see whether our system restore point is created, or can we restore our system on this restore point which we are created now. Click on system restore point. Here are the message restore system files and settings. Then click on next. Friends, here is the system restore point which we have created a few minutes before. And if we want to create a restore system, then we can click on next. But if we want to scan more affected program, then we can click here scan for affected program. Scanning for affected programs and drivers. It gives a message, please wait while system restore looks for affected programs and drivers. No, none detected. It gives a message none detected, so we will close this and click on next. No, system is asking confirmation from us. Confirm from restore point, your computer will be restored to the state it was in before the event in the description field below. This is the time and this is the date and description. Our system will be restored before this point, not after this point, before this point. When we create the restore point, it will be restored before this point. So when we will click on finish, then it will be start restore. Friends, this is the method of system how to create a system restore point and how to restore system using restore point. One important thing I want to mention here, that in system restore point only system files and folders or system settings are affected or changed, not any user data, not any user profiles or files and folders. Nothing will be happen. It will only restore system settings. Systems, I mean system program, system files are related to system settings, but never to user profile, user settings, I mean user data or anything else will be happen to user data or user setting. So we will click on cancel for the moment. This is the method of creating system restore point and restore using system restore point. We can also go to here, right click on system, this PC, and then properties. Friends, here these are the properties of system, and then we go to advanced system settings. Here are system protection. We can directly go to their system protection, and if otherwise we can also use advanced system setting. We can go to advanced system setting. We will click to system restore, system protection. Friends, we directly go to system protection, and here all these options are available. We are discussed in previous step how to configure system restore, how to enable system protection, how to create system restore point, and how to restore system using system restore point. friends, I hope this topic will be very helpful for you, because sometime our system got stuck due to virus infection or any other thing else. Then you can use this system restore, and you can save a lot of time for your organization, and also you can save your job and some like this. Time and data are very important in any organization. To like more videos about configuration and troubleshooting like systems, networks, please like, subscribe, and share my channel. I hope this will be very helpful for you. Bye.